Hello and welcome to One2Step. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can delete all your messages on Discord. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open Discord app on your PC. If you don't have it, you can download it from the official website of Discord. Log into your account and you will see this type of interface. Now let's go ahead and go to our server over here. So this is my server over here. What I'll do is right click on it, and you can see that there are options over here. What you need to do is go to the server. After you click on the server like this, you can see the duplicate server options. So let's go ahead and click on the server over here, the channel. So let's go ahead and click on the channel, and you can see duplicate channel over here. Let's go ahead and click on it, and you can name it like this and click create channel. After that, you can see that this is a duplicate channel and this is the channel which has all the messages. Now what you can do is just go ahead and click on delete channel from here. Then you can see that this channel will be there, but all the messages will be deleted. I'm going to show it to you once again. So this is a channel over here. I'm just going to go ahead and right click on it and click duplicate channel. I'll name it and click on create channel. Then you can see that this channel is over here and the old channel is over here. Now right click on it, click on delete channel, click delete channel once again, and you can see all your messages have been deleted. So guys, this is how you can delete all your messages on Discord. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.